In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Samsung TV to your phone's hotspot. So this is very easy, but let me walk you through the process. So what you need to do on your Samsung TV, once you've got it turned on, go to the left and then scroll down and you should be able to find settings. So this is what we're looking for, the settings icon. You can then go ahead and click on the settings button. And then if you go all the way to the right, you should then be able to find all settings. So as you can see on the right, we've got all settings. Once you click on that, it's going to open up this window. And here we can go ahead and scroll down and go to connection. Here on connection, you can then scroll down again and go to network. Once we're on network, what I would do is click reset network. And this is going to reset any existing network connections that you may have. Now we've done that, we can go ahead and turn on our phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. So here on my phone, I'm on my iPhone, I can go to settings. I can then go to personal hotspot and make sure that it is turned on, and we can allow other people to join. So here you can see my phone's hotspot is on, and here is the password to it here. Now on the TV, we can go open network settings, then click wireless. Then it's going to scan for the Wi-Fi connection. Now you should be able to find your phone's hotspot. So in my case, it is iPhone. We can click on this and then we can enter in the password, which we can see here on our personal hotspot. After you've entered in the password, you can click go in the bottom right-hand corner, and then it's going to check for the connection. And if everything is working, it will say success. And you should see here at the top on your phone, you'll see a connection. This is going to be your TV. You can then click OK again. And there you go, you are now connected to the Wi-Fi on your personal hotspot. Thank you for watching. I hope that video helped you out.